Test your English Valentine's Day edition.
How well do you know your English sentence structure?
Let's find out. Question 1. Should you say A,
I like to eat chocolate.
B,
I like chocolate to eat.
or C?
Chocolate I like to eat.
The answer is A, I like to eat chocolate. Question 2. Should you say A,
Will you marry me?
B,
Marry me, will you?
or C?
I marry you?
The answer is A, will you marry me?
Of course I will.
Oh, I'm the lucky one. Question 3. Should you say A,
Be my Valentine, will you?
B,
Will you be my Valentine?
or C?
My Valentine you'll be?
The answer is B, will you be my Valentine?
Of course I will.
Oh, again, so lovely. Question 4. Should you say A,
Holding hands we are.
B,
We hold hands?
or C?
We are holding hands.
The answer is C. We are holding hands. And next, question 5. Should you say A,
This romantic.
B,
This is so romantic.
or C?
So romantic is this.
The correct answer is B. This is so romantic. Question number 6. Should you say A,
You is handsome.
B,
He are handsome.
or C?
You are handsome.
The answer is C. You are handsome. And next, question 7. Should you say A,
I have a Valentine's card.
B,
I have Valentine's card.
C?
A Valentine's Day card I have.
The answer is A. I have a Valentine's card. Question 8. Should you say A,
You, I love.
B,
I love you.
or C?
You love.
The correct answer is B. I love you.
Aw.
Question 9. Should you say A,
I have a girlfriend.
B,
A girlfriend I have.
or C?
A girlfriend have.
The correct answer is A. I have a girlfriend. The final question, question number 10. Here we are. Should you say A,
Happy Day of Valentine's!
B,
Valentine's Happy Day!
or C?
Happy Valentine's Day!
The correct answer is, drumroll, C. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day! Let us know how you did in the comments. And if you want to keep practicing your English skills, join us at emery.world. See you there!